Hi, my name is Tracy Collins and I own Collins Bookkeeping Services. I am a Quickbooks Certified Pro Advisor, a Certified Partner with Housecall Pro, and I am a Certified Expert Advisor with LivePlan. So one of the most common problems that I see when it comes to the errors with QuickBooks and the Housecall Pro integration is when it comes to sales tax. What usually happens is the sales tax you have listed in your Housecall Pro is not what it's listed, is not the name or the percentage that's listed over in your QuickBooks Online. And that's because QuickBooks Online has switched over to an automated sales tax. It used to be that you would have to contact Intuit to have them give you the hybrid sales tax module. And I've just recently discovered that that is no longer the case. So as you can see here, we have a tax rate that is 25% with name My Tax, and it was not found in the QuickBooks account. So this is telling you that you need to create the tax rate with the name My Tax on QuickBooks and click Reprocess. So we're going to go ahead and click Reprocess. And it's going to come up with this little box telling you that it's missing the tax rate and it needs you to go ahead and enter. So what you need to do is go ahead and click Create New, and then create new QBO tax rate. Okay, and then as you can see, that invoice has now been sent over into QuickBooks Online. So let's go ahead and try that again. So here's another one here. It's saying the tax rate of 23% is not found in your QuickBooks. So you go ahead and click Reprocess. Go ahead and select Create New QBO Tax Rate. Create New QBO Tax Rate. And then it disappears. And that is what you have to do to take care of the tax rate conflict between QuickBooks Online and Housecall Pro. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at www.collinsbookkeeping.com.